Hey y'all, it's currently 8:24, so we spent around an hour and a half building this out. So let me show you what we got. There's sort of three main files that we want to turn our focus to. One is the core monitor, which is main.py. This is basically a Flash server that takes screenshots of your work every 2 seconds, and we use Claude's vision capabilities to analyze if you're focused on the task. And so the second thing is this browser controller that sort of responds when distractions are detected. Um, It'll create reports. And basically, for browser distractions, like when you're using the browser, it'll basically close the distracting browser and show you what you did wrong. And for any other distractions on your screen that will be captured by main.py by taking a screenshot of your entire desktop, it will basically open a new tab telling you like what was wrong. Um, so we have this browser controller, and then we handle distraction that makes calls to this guy that takes screenshots. And so then we finally have this run Arkangel script that sort of sets up the Python environment dependencies, runs the monitor and the controller in parallel, and provides a simple control panel to start and stop the system. So right now, I've sort of set my task as working on like a STEM problem. So what happens when we run it is it'll give us options like, do we want to run the test, start the system, or exit? So I'm going to run the test. It's going to look at my code and be like, oh, this guy's coding, he's working on STEM. So it'll say I'm not distracted. Then I'm going to go and open up a TikTok or like some random browser that I've been doing work on. And then we will see how it'll open up a new Chrome tab saying what exactly I was wrong, a screenshot of my desktop at the time. And then I will open a new tab in the browser and we will see how it will override the tab that I was currently on. So let's start it. And Archangel is running, no distraction detected, right? So now let's open up a distraction. My TikTok ads manager. Wait a couple seconds because we're not getting there's a little bit of latency. We're not taking screenshots every second, of course. It's every 2 or 3 seconds, and then it has to reason about it, create the logs with the screenshot, and then tell you exactly what went wrong. Um, so here you go. You seem to be distracted. You're not focused. You're looking at the TikTok ads manager. Here's what happened. And now let me go on to a new tab and search up games, like online games. Um, let's see if I can beat the timing here. So yeah, I'm on crazygames.com. Let's see what it says. You seen? I was looking at the CAPTCHA, but yeah, it was basically saying you're not working on a math project, you're solving a CAPTCHA, and this is unrelated. And it basically totally X'd out my whole tab. So not only do you get everything X'd out of your browser, but you also get everything X'd out in your desktop itself. And then all the logs are here, all the screenshots are here. Um, and yeah, that's our project.